Welcome back to Flag and Banner's YouTube channel. I'm Curtis, and today we're going to discuss how to get the longest life out of your flag. One of the most common questions we get is how long a flag will last. And experience has taught me that there really is no right or wrong answer to this. It really is chalked up to how you care for and handle your flag. The greatest causes of deterioration of the flag are the wind, the sun, and carelessness. Only flags made specifically for outdoors should be flown outdoors. If your flag has fringe or a flannel line pole hem, they should not be flown outdoors. The flannel line pole hem could lead to molding quicker and weigh down the pole a bit. Also, flying your flag all day and all night will shorten the lifespan of the flag. If it is not lit, it should be taken down at night if at all possible, as this will lengthen the life of your flag as well. Also, you may want to consider where you're placing your flag. If it's in direct sunlight all day, of course it will fade much faster, so it's better if you can find a bit of a shadier spot to display the flag in. Do your best to try not to place it where it will rub against things such as trees, wires, or cables. This could result in a small tear, which with the wind blowing in the wind, it will create a larger tear quickly. Try not to fly your flags during storms such as heavy rains, snow, or abnormally high winds. These will also tear your flags up much faster. If you have a house-mounted flagpole, go ahead and take the whole pole down, roll it up, stick it in the closet, save it till the weather's a little better. And another reason you may want to consider taking the flag down is with the added weight due to the water, it may put a strain on your pole and the fabric itself. Never fold or roll up a wet flag. You may come back to find mildew. Also, consider keeping your pole free of heavy dirt, rust, or corrosion, as this may damage the material of the flag as well. Regularly inspect your flag for signs of normal wear and tear, which could include thread breaks, which may occur on the fly end, which is the end furthest away from the pole. In order to keep your flag vibrant, you want to clean it regularly before smoke, dirt, and any other sorts of contamination can set into the fabric itself. And here are a couple tips on how to properly clean your flag. You want to hand wash with a mild detergent and lay flat to dry. Sometimes you may find a dry cleaner that will do this for Old Glory for free. And you do not want to iron your nylon flags. Trust me, I did this in the warehouse. It did not turn out well. And here's a tip for people that purchase some of the larger flags, such as 12 feet by 18 feet or larger. This is a significant financial investment, we understand that. So there are things you can do to prolong the life of said flag. You may want to consider having two flags and rotating them in and out. That way when one's out for cleaning or repair, your pole is not bare, and it gives the fabric from the original flag a little time to rest, which has been scientifically proven to help lengthen the life of the flag as well. And remember our tip on keeping your flag in good repair, such as checking for thread breaks and small tears in the fly end of the flag. We do offer a repair service. So if you find your flag in disrepair, any thread breaks, tears in the fly end, we can cut that off and rehem it, therefore saving you a little money in the long run. If you have any questions about this, just contact us for further assistance. The link is in the description below. Because weather conditions vary, no two flags will wear the same. Your flag works hard, it shakes, trembles, flips, flutters, waves in the wind. You know what flags do. Is it any wonder that it may need to be replaced 2 to 3 times a year? And those are the best tips we know to get the longest life out of your flag. If you have any questions that we did not cover in this video today, the link to contact us is down below. Please feel free to reach out. We're happy to help however we can. And as always, thanks for watching.
If you found this video informative, please click the like button down below. To stay up to date with all of our upcoming videos, subscribe by clicking the circle icon in the middle of your screen. And as always, thank you for watching.